Alright, here.
I want to put
Put
something
these
in
ones
mine.
here for a second.
I'll put something in there.
Okay, now when it's nice and flat,
It's nice and fat.
then I'm going to take some of these red beans,
I need them in.
and I'll let you each get your own red bean. Just 1 minute. So you can decide if you want a lot or little.
I want a lot.
Yeah, it's so good. It's like
have to
candy.
have a lot.
I don't know, right? Taste it.
I don't want.
I want a lot.
I don't want
Then
a lot because
see how we
I'm
just
the
close it?
littlest. I'm the
Liam
littlest.
he's the littlest, so he wants a little. Okay, so then you just close it up.
And you eat it.
Yeah.
You bake it first, right?
So, and then, oh yeah, well then you're going to bake it. Okay, so after you close it up, wait, I'll help you get to that point. Okay, Liam, are you ready to do the red bean? Okay, take a little, it's hot, so watch
No,
out.
I want you to do it.
Oh, is that enough?
He probably need to be more flat. His,
No.
Can you close it up?
yeah, whatever.
Just stretch it around the side so it will close.
It looks like a pizza.
Uh-huh.
Okay, no.
Are you, sorry, you can get it. And just pinch it shut when you pinch the top. Here, I'll help you.
I did it. You should do a little bit more bigger.